Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford EcoSport headlight bulb. Before you begin, always ensure your vehicle's engine is off and the key is removed for safety. Wearing protective gloves and safety glasses is also a smart idea to prevent any injury. If the headlights were recently on, let the assembly cool down completely. Finally, confirm your new bulb is the correct type for your EcoSport model. Now let's get to the bulb itself. First, open your Ford EcoSport's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll need to disconnect the electrical connector, usually by pressing a small release tab. Next, carefully remove the rubber dust cover, which often just pulls straight off. Depending on your model, you might then unclip a retaining spring or twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to release it. With access gained, it's time for the replacement. Carefully pull out the old headlight bulb, making sure not to touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare fingers, as oils can shorten its life. Insert the new bulb, ensuring it's correctly seated in the housing. Then, reattach the retaining spring or twist the bulb holder clockwise to secure it. Finally, replace the rubber dust cover and reconnect the electrical connector. After installing the new bulb, it's crucial to test it. Turn on your Ford EcoSport's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Check both your high and low beams to ensure proper illumination. For more great tips and deals, including a link for leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below. If you notice any issues, or if your headlights seem misaligned, consider having them professionally checked for optimal performance and safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.